Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I'm back again with very important notification for all of you, and this notification is coming from Haryana Power Utility HPU, which are the companies HVPNL, HPGCL, UHBVNL, DHBVNL. In 2024 they are recruiting through GATE examination being conducted by ISC. So this is a good news for the aspirants that have registered for GATE or are planning to register for GATE. But let me tell you one thing, beta. 5th of October is the last date to register for GATE without any additional fees. So if you are planning to register for GATE, do it immediately. Otherwise, you will lose an important opportunity and you will have to pay 500 rupees extra in order to register for GATE. So do it immediately. Now, what are they saying? It is for information of all concerned that HPU, that is Haryana Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Limited, Haryana Power Generation Corporation Limited, Uttar Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam Limited, Dakshin Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam Limited. That is, these are the two power distribution companies, North Power Distribution, South Power Distribution. One is the Vidyut Prasaran, that is again a power transmission and power generation, transmission, distribution. 4 companies will be undertaking the recruitment of assistant engineer, electrical cadre, assistant engineer, civil. So 2 branches will be recruited, electrical and civil, in 2024 for the posts that are vacant on 31st of May. On 31st of May, they will decide which posts are vacant, and for that they will recruit through GATE 2024 being conducted by ISC. Essential qualification: utility wise bifurcation, that is the bifurcation of the post in the 4 companies is likely to be filled under electrical, mechanical, electronics, IT, instrumentation. Under electrical, these branches will be eligible: electrical, mechanical, electronics, IT and instrumentation. And civil cadre, other terms and conditions will be notified in the detailed advertisement. It will be published after June 2024. So after June only, once they have calculated the vacant vacancies, then only they will release the notification. So this is the good news. If you are still not planning to appear for GATE, now is the time to register. Now is the time to make a decision, because many companies are coming forward and telling that yes, they are going to recruit through GATE 2024. So you can tell me in the comment section what is your opinion on it. How excited are you seeing the opportunities that are coming out through GATE 2024? You can tell me that in the comment section. And if you like the video, make sure that you hit that like button, you subscribe to the channel, and you share this video as much as possible. And in case you are preparing for GATE 24 or 25, Exam Dost is the platform that will fulfill all your needs, where I'll be personally mentoring you, I'll be personally teaching you each and everything. I'll be holding your hand and guiding you at each and every step. I'll be clearing all your queries. I'll be teaching you all the concepts. And we have crash courses just now started for GATE 24, Ummeed batch and Unnati batch, on which an attractive discount of 20% is there till 5th of October midnight. If you wish to join, visit our website, visit our mobile app on Android and iOS by the name Exam Dost, and use code RIB20 to get 20% off on our rank improvement batch and crash course. We also have other courses for GATE 24 and 25. We also have subject-wise courses and test series available, for which you will find the details on the website, or else to make it easy for you, you can visit our website or app. Not only that, you can also message us on our WhatsApp number, which is 70890475561. You can ask whichever course you are interested in, the relevant discount code, the relevant discount you will be told, and you can join with our WhatsApp number 70890475561. So I'll be looking forward to hear from you, all of you, in the comment section and on our WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp should be filled with the messages of the students who are interested to join Exam Dost, and we'll be helping you, each and every student, whoever is financially challenged as well, we'll be helping you out to become a member of Exam Dost. So join as soon as possible, so that we can begin this journey together and we can crack GATE 2024 together. Okay, so thank you everyone, and all the best.